Read reviews that most people are talking of VUCATIMES Android 10.0 Wi-Fi tablets. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Android tablets 10-inch comes with the latest Android 10.0 Go OS, more safety and faster than previous Android 9.0 OS. At the same time, it will avoid the unexpected ads, together with 32 GB microSD TF extension 512 GB storage, not included, will offer you smoother experience. Tablets 10-inch adopts a quad-core 64-bit processor, Cortex-A5 1.5 to 1.7 GHz. Basic frequency is faster 20% than normal processor, which is enhance viewing experience greatly and easy to meet your daily use, but not recommend play games or downloaded logger app. VUCATIMES Android tablet equipped with a 1280x800 IPS screen which will bring you clear and comfortable watching, playing and browsing feeling. Automatic brightness adjust is more benefit for your eyes, built in a 6000 mAh polymer battery. Whatever you watching movies or reading news, it will fulfill your daily needs. Unit weight only 540 grams, lightweight and thin, easy to carry which is take it travel more convenient. Bright colors, like green, purple, black, suitable give it to kids and friends as a gift. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.